Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your clock on your radio entertainment system on your smartphone too. Let's have a seat at the driver's side. Here we are. Now, you have to turn ignition on. And here you can see in the center, you can see your radio system. The radio entertainment system, will switch on if you are turning the ignition, and if you're pushing the left button, then this radio will start working. Here we are. Now you can press the setup button. Now you are in the setup menu. Audio, lock, clock, radio. We are switching to clock. Now you can choose on, off, or the time setup. Now we are at the time setup, and we are going with the right button to set the hours. The first line is the hours. To get in the others, the minute layer, you have to push the OK button. Then you can switch to the minutes, which are now. Here we are, 11:15 a.m. Good job. Now you can leave the menu by pressing setup again. And we set up the clock at your radio station. This is a different clock like the other in the heads-up display on the front side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.